Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, in this lesson we're going over genders. So it's ad-dars al-sadis, the sixth lesson. So here we're getting introduced in a more formal sense to feminine words, so words that end with ta marbuta, like Aishatun and Waqifatun and Muhandisatun and so on and so forth. And we also get introduced to the feminine version of hada. So we covered that hada is for masculine things. Hada Muhammadun, this is Muhammad. On the other hand, if I'm referring to something that's feminine, I'm going to use hadihi, which is the feminine form of this in Arabic. So hadihi Aishatu, and I'll say hada Muhammadun. So we have hada ibn Hamidin wa hadihi bintu Yasir. Hada ibn Hamidin, mudaf mudaf ilayh. This is the son of Hamid. Wa hadihi, and this is the daughter of Yasir. Ibn Hamidin jalisun. The son of Hamid, jalisun, is sitting. Jalis means sitting. Wa bintu Yasirin, and the daughter of Yasir, waqifatun, is standing. So waqifatun means standing, jalisun means sitting. Waqifatun has a tam marbuta, so the round ta at the end, because it's referring to the daughter of Yasir, which is obviously feminine. Man hadihi, who is this? Hadihi ukhtul muhandis. This is the sister of the engineer. Mudaf mudaf ilayh. So ukhtu means sister, muhandis means engineer. This is the sister of the engineer. Ahiya aydan muhandisatun. Ahiya, is she? Aydan. Aydan means also. So is she also muhandisatun, engineer? So muhandisatun with ta marbuta, female, because obviously it's referring to her. La, no. Hiya tabibatun, she's a female doctor. Sayaratu man hadihi. Sayaratu man is mudaf mudaf ilayh. So sayara means car, man means who. Man is mabni, so it will not change its ending. So sayaratu man, the car of who, hadihi is this. So if we're to translate the meaning of it in English, we say, whose car is this? Verbatimly, it's sayaratu man, car of who, hadihi, this. Hadihi sayaratu mudir. This is the car of the principal. Ma hadihi, what is this? Hadihi mikwah. Mikwatun means iron like this. As far as iron as the metal, it's hadid in Arabic. Liman hadihi. So liman, the best way to translate liman is to whom. To whom? To whom hadi? To whom does this belong to, pretty much? To whom does this belong to? So liman, to whom hadi is this? And to whom does this belong to? Hadihi, this, li Khalidin, belongs to Khalid. So the lam here, which the li, is a lam which means belonging to. Like when we say Alhamdulillahi, all praise lillahi belongs to Allah. Hadihi li Khalidin, this belongs to Khalidin. Same principle. Ad-darajatu anasin hadihi. Daraja means bicycle. Ad-darajatu anisin is bicycle of Anis. Hadihi, this. Yani, is this the bicycle of Anis? We covered that question in Arabic are usually phrased quite differently. So, is bicycle of Anis this? Yani, is this the bicycle of Anis? La, no. هذه دراجة عمار. This is the bicycle of Ammar. مضاف مضاف إليه. هذه جديدة. This جديدة is new. يعني this one is new. جديدة means new. ودراجة أنس قديمة. And the bicycle of Anis قديمة. قديمة means old. هذه ساعة علي. ساعة in this context means watch. هذه ساعة علي. This is a watch of Ali. هي جميلة جدا. Here, it will be translated as it. It is beautiful. Jiddan. Jiddan means a lot, so it's very beautiful. هذه ملعقة وهذه قدر. هذه ملعقة. ملعقة means spoon, feminine. هذه قدر, and this is a qidr. Qidr means pot. So qidr is one of those exceptions where it's a word that is feminine, but it doesn't take the sign of femininity. So it doesn't take a tam marbuta, but rather it's still feminine in even though it does not take the sign. So like it's just like similar to words like ard and nafs and nar, qidrun. All these words, even though they don't take the ta marbuta, which is a sign of femininity, they still are feminine because that's just how the Arabs they used it. So هذه ملعقة, this is a spoon. وهذه, and this qidrun is a pot. الملعقة في القدر, the ملعقة, the spoon, في القدر is inside the pot. هذه بقرة الفلاح. This بقرة الفلاح is the cow of the farmer. بقرة means cow, الفلاح means farmer, مضاف مضاف إليه. هذا أنف, this is a nose. وهذا فم, and this is a mouth. هذه أذن, أذن means ear. هذه أذن, this is an ear. وهذه عين, and this is an eye. وهذه يد, and this is a hand. يد means hand. وهذه رجل, and this is a leg. رجل means leg. رجل means leg. So if you notice here, when it comes to body parts, if it's a body part that has two, so it has two on each side, if you will. So your eyes, there's two of them. Your ears, there's two of them. Your hands, there's two of them. Your legs, there's two of them. For body parts where there's two of them, it's usually feminine. So that's why udun is feminine, ayn is feminine, yadun is feminine, original is feminine, because all of these are body parts where you have two of them. So in a general sense, most body parts that you have two of them, they're going to be considered feminine. But if it's a body part that you only have one of them, like nose, mouth, heart, all these words are going to be masculine. So body parts that are singular in an actual, like you only have one of them inside of you, they're considered masculine usually. And body parts where you have two of them, so like eyes and ears and stuff like that, they're usually considered feminine. So even though udun and ayn and yad and origin do not have the sign of femininity, they don't have the ta marbuta, I know that they are feminine based on the rule I just mentioned. So that, in a very brief sense, is the end of lesson 6.